This is Samsung refrigerator diagnostic mode and error codes. Full tech reference. To enter diagnostic mode, locate the power freeze and power cool buttons on the control panel. Press and hold both simultaneously for 8 to 10 seconds. The display will enter diagnostic mode. From there you can scroll to run temperature sensor tests, compressor tests, and defrost heater tests. If the unit shows 88 or 88 to 88, it's in demo mode. Hold Energy Saver plus Freezer for 3 to 5 seconds to exit. If you see OFF or OFF, hold Freezer plus Fridge for 3 seconds. Error codes use E suffix or C suffix. They're identical in meaning. 1E or 1C is freezer temp sensor. 2E or 2C is fresh food sensor. 4E is fridge defrost sensor. 5E is freezer defrost sensor. One of the most common field calls. 6E is ambient sensor. 8E is ice maker sensor. 14E is ice maker fan. 22E is freezer fan motor. 24E is defrost heater. 40E is ice room fan. The 22E code is worth a deep dive. The freezer fan isn't spinning at spec. 9 times out of 10. Ice buildup from a failed defrost system is blocking the fan. Start with a manual defrost. Unplug 24 to 48 hours. If the code comes back within a few days, the defrost system itself is faulty. Test the heater and thermal fuse. Save this reference. Like and subscribe from Fix It Fast and Easy.